Surprise your guests with this idea. They won't believe you made it yourself. Gently cut a boiled egg on both ends. Take off a larger piece on one side and a smaller one on the other. Join the eggs by placing the cut sides together. Push a skewer through both eggs to keep them stable. Now add the details. Use a straw to make tiny holes for the eyes and nose in the top egg, and small holes for buttons in the bottom one. Cut a black olive in half and use the straw to punch out small round pieces. Place them in the holes to create the eyes and buttons. Prepare a carrot. Cut off the tip, then cut a larger piece in a thin slice. From the slice, cut a small triangle for the nose and place it on the face. From the larger piece and the tip, make a hat. Stack them and place them on the exposed end of the toothpick. Finish by adding small sprigs of parsley as little arms. Your festive egg snowman is ready. Simple, charming, and perfect for the holiday table.